Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the daily time frame first. It's kind of slowed up over the weekend. It got some push on the end of last week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saw a little surge, and it's kind of calmed itself down. This hasn't moved like Dogecoin moved. Dogecoin ripped, I think, since last Tuesday, Dogecoin is up 158%. That's definitely one to watch. Dogecoin can pick up and get very volatile. And I have a deep belief that even though we're in a bear market and that there's going to be plenty of opportunities still to make money short, I think that the next bull market, the next bull rally in crypto is going to be face melting. When it comes, I don't know, but that's my opinion. So Bitcoin, now that we're back above the 50 EMA, now that the 8 and 21 EMAs are in an uptrend, yellow is 8, red is 21. We're above the 50, we're above the 8, we're above the 21. The only thing that doesn't align with being bullish right now is sentiment, but sentiment is rising and almost back above the 50 value. If sentiment was above 50, you would definitely be bullish here. You've seen this thing now base out, and it's held the base. We have not broken underneath it. This is a lesson I learned from Peter Brandt. You don't want to trade into horizontal levels. A lot of people get trapped. Let me turn the volume off. You don't really need this. A lot of people get trapped trying to go short here and here. This is what's happening. This is why it bounces so violently out of there, because people are trying to short into the break of this horizontal level rather than waiting for the break, waiting for the retest, getting in on the retest, and then taking that trade. That's the trade you want. Now that we've held the zone, that situation is completely invalid. Now that we're here, we're looking at shorter term zones to the upside and seeing how long they want to be held. So I use a rule called the 2-candle rule, where when I find a pin where 2 candles to the left and the right don't break above it, that tells me that that's some type of significant zone. So like here, we would have another zone, right? Because the 2 candles to the left and the right are not higher. We would have another zone up here. That, right? So now that would tell us we have some support here at 20,400. with resistance above at 22.6. If we hold 20,000, you would think we're moving to 22. If we break back under 20, I think we see 18. So as a day trader, how do you handle this? Well, right now, this is bullish. Let's check the 4-hour. 4-hour looks really bullish as well. Higher highs, higher lows, 8 above the 21. Sentiment is bullish. So I would say that's bullish. 1 hour, 8 above the 21. Price action above the 8, above the 50. Sentiment here, not that bullish since we had a pullback yesterday and Saturday, but holding that structure, holding that zone at 20,400, right? So you definitely could see why today you might want to come in and be long biased. Now, on the 15-minute where I look to make my trading decisions, I think with the sentiment line coming now up above 50, you could definitely justify looking for longs as the day goes on. Now, I like to look for these A2 entries. I'm going to be holding a webinar if you're interested to learn the A2 strategy on November 26th. It's at the end of November. If you follow me on Instagram and stuff, you guys will be updated on that. So I'll be giving out this A2 indicator as well. But what I'm looking for now today is, and into tomorrow probably if we hold this and move higher, is I'm looking for pullbacks to the 21 EMA on the 15-minute, or I'm looking for A2s long on the 5-minute. What these two A2s right here tell me is that this price of 20,700 is a price that we would definitely want to maybe have some longs in. Definitely, maybe, you like that? If you would have taken it earlier this morning, this pin stops you out though. But now that we've held that zone, right? Dealt with the pullback, you could be looking for longs now maybe to see this come higher this morning. So that's an idea to take you into the rest of the day and into the rest of the week. Ethereum, just similar to Bitcoin, but you could get more volatility on Ethereum, I think, than Bitcoin in certain situations. Like today, Bitcoin's up 0.5, Ethereum's up 2% already. So that's that. Let's look at a Dash. That one looks like it might try to make a little bullish push. I mean, all these cryptos are going to follow Bitcoin. Look at this. Look at how similar this looks to Bitcoin on the daily. You know what I'm saying? So if Bitcoin pushes to 22, you'll see these altcoins make a run. Cardano at 41 cents will make a run to maybe 50 or 60 cents. Dogecoin is already up. So Doge would be, who knows what Doge can do, especially with Elon and Twitter right now. If they make Dogecoin payments available on Twitter, Doge is going to become more valuable. Polkadot looks bullish here too, just breaking out over the 50. We'll see if these breakouts hold. I'm skeptical of breakouts. XRP at 46, just basing out here at the 50. Could be bullish. Could hold that 50. Definitely could be bullish. So there could be some bullish crypto momentum coming in the next couple of days or weeks. Definitely.